Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. In today's video, we are going to be jumping in the shower together. Yes, we are trying Olay Rinse Off Body Conditioner. This is B3 plus coconut oil, right? I was like, you know what? The weather's getting hot outside. Our skin is getting dry. My feet are getting drier because I keep wearing sandals all the time. So I figured I got this at Smith's and I was like, it was less than $5. And the Amazon, on Amazon, I was going to say the Amazon link that I post in the comment section and the description box, I believe it only comes out to like $4.03 for each one. But if you're wondering if this is good, I have never seen this. I never saw any reviews for it. I was like, this just looks cool. Look at the packaging. You can see it looks like it has glitter on it. It just looked so cool and it caught my attention because I've never heard of a body conditioner. Yes, I've heard of a hair conditioner. I'm like, really? A body conditioner? So I figured I would buy it, try it for you guys, and let you know whether I think this would help you or not. You know, especially for you girls who already have dry skin and summer is coming up and you get even more dry, or for you girls who have oily skin and overproduce oils because your body, your face, it's not conditioned as much. Is this worth it? Let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video and I'll show you me using this in the shower. So let's roll on over right now. Okay, let me read the back really quick. It says Olay's Rinse Off Body Conditioner made with coconut oil and vitamin B3 complex infuses skin with concentrated moisture to help stop dry skin before it starts. That's what it says on the back here. The phone doesn't fall. It is attached to my mirror in my bathroom. So let's go ahead and open this up. And just for you guys, I'm going to put it on my body and then jump into the freezing cold water. No, I'm just kidding. Like, I turned off my water because it got a little bit too cold because it's very cold outside. So I took off the tab. Go ahead and just look what it looks like. It says dispense, massage, and then rinse. It has no specific time, no nothing. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like coconut. Oh, and it smells like coconut, and it feels like a thick hair conditioner, actually. You know what? I'm going to put it on my face. And then we're going to just rub it all over. You guys can see, it's just like it literally feels like I'm putting a conditioner on. So I'm going to rub it on my legs, the whole bit. It smells good. It smells a little bit more not conditioner. It smells like a coconut perfume, though. Not like a coconut, what do you think when you go to the beach? Putting it on my feet, by the way. My feet are super dry. My legs are super dry. That's it. It feels like it starts getting watered down with like the remaining amount of water on my skin. It feels like it gets watered down just like any conditioner would. So I'm just kind of wondering if this is going to really be like, well, bam, or not. So let's go ahead and turn on the water and rinse. So, yep, I can feel it. It feels like I put an oil cleanser on my skin, all over on my face, on my arms. You can see how the water kind of is just running off my skin. You can see it's just running off of it because it leaves a barrier of oil, like a nice even coat of oil. A lot of times you can put coconut oil on your skin, but it's very slippery. It's very messy. I'm trying to see if I have any to show you guys in the bathroom, in the restroom, and I do not. But it's like a thick oil that feels like it. Well, actually, sorry, it feels like a conditioner. A normal conditioner, and then when you rinse it, it leaves this like oil substance that's not sticky, that's not greasy. It just feels like it adhered to my skin, and then it's going to stay moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my skin, and I'll let you guys know how it feels afterwards. Oh, hot dang is like magic. Yes, it really is like magic. Okay, so my face feels like it has a barrier, but I know that my face is already very, very dry, so I need to put a little bit more moisture onto it. My freaking body, oh, freaking amazing. Okay, so it doesn't state this anywhere on the actual product, but I'm gonna flip the camera over, zoom you really, really close, and I hope it picks up on camera. Like, it leaves the most microscopic glitter all over your body. That's like a champagne color, a goldish champagne. And I know you cannot see it from this distance, so I'm gonna have to zoom you in. I didn't even notice it until I went under my lights over there, and I'm like, what is this? This is a freaking cool. It almost makes your skin look better than what it actually is, because it leaves like this tiny, tiny little reflectant glitter everywhere. It's so freaking awesome. And look at this. So look, like it's nice. It has that barrier. One thing I will tell you, so when you dry your body, so on this arm I rubbed it, and this arm I patted it. And you do want to pat it because it leaves more of that barrier behind. Look, I'm not sticky. I'm not sticky at all, right? But I'm nicely hydrated. And then on the part that I rubbed, you can feel that it's still hydrated, but I took off a lot of that barrier. This is amazing. This is literally like magic. I don't know why. I've never seen this product, never heard of it, and they don't advertise it like this, but I am nicely moisturized. Let me look at my feet. Believe it or not, my feet are more hydrated than normal. I have really dry skin on my feet, and it's still dry, but you can feel that it looks better. You can feel that it feels better because it's a little more soft, and it looks better. It doesn't look as dry and patchy. I'll show you guys that as well, but let's go ahead and zoom super close. I'm gonna take you guys over there, and hopefully it will pick up that reflectance I was talking about, the magic.
Okay, so I have you zoomed really, really close to my arm. Can you see the tiny little reflectance that I was talking about? It's super, super, super subtle. Please let me know if you actually see what I'm talking about. You see how it looks like my skin is it looks like it's glistening a little bit? That is actually all that little tiny glitter.
No TMI, but here's my foot, and you can see like my toe area is usually like super, super duper white and like dry right there. And it doesn't look that bad. Let's see if you can see the glitter on my leg right here. Oh, look, there you go. Do you see that? Looks kind of wet a little bit. That is the glitter. So cool. So yeah, who would have ever thought something like this? They don't even advertise it. I mean, of course the packaging shows all this like really cool fancy design, but it doesn't say anything that it leaves like this beautiful layer of reflectant on your skin. It's so nice. Now, I forgot to talk about the fragrance. It leaves that fragrance behind. So if you struggle with like your body keeping fragrance on the skin, I would definitely try this. I wonder if they make it in a different fragrance. I don't know. Because it does smell coconut-like, but like more of a perfume coconut, like what I was saying. This is freaking amazing. Honestly, my skin looks great. It feels great. It looks great. It is hydrated. I was not expecting this. A lot of times these gimmicky products, this is like a rinse off body conditioner. I'm like, really? Come on. Like, this is stupid. I think it's stupid. I think a lot of people might agree with me. They're like, that stuff's not going to work. It's just advertisement gimmick, you know, I guess you could say, because conditioner is conditioner. No, this is actually extremely different. And I would totally say if you're suffering with dry skin or you want to keep your skin looking youthful, we all want to keep our skin looking youthful. I would totally try it. Just make sure that you pat your body dry. And it's nice to have it that where it goes all over, because, you know, we get a lot of chest wrinkles. We get a lot of neck wrinkles. Those are parts that we normally don't take care of. A lot of people just put creams on their face, which you do still need to put a cream on your face. A lot of people just put creams on their face and they're like, okay, I'm done. Let's go. And then they avoid or they neglect all these other parts. And a lot of these other parts will actually give away your age, because your face can look young and then your neck can look old, or you can have massive wrinkles here. You can have wrinkles anywhere on your body. Anyways, totally like 1,000% love it. I would recommend it. I'll post this in the comment section and the description box. And while you're down there, if you could hit that thumbs up button, a little subscribe button, and a tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Hope you guys stay nice and I'm choking there. Nice. I was going to say toasty, but I don't know. I'm like choking on on the air. Anyways, stay nice and warm. Hydrate your skin. If you are quarantined, if you are staying indoors, or you are avoiding going outside or you're even going outside, you know, I would totally recommend this. This is lovely, lovely, lovely. And if you want to even give it a boost, put a moisturizer on top of it. So you kind of lock in this and then lock in, well, so you lock in more layers of moisture is what I'm trying to say. So we can stay youthful, young, healthy, fresh, glowy, glittery. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you invite God into your life. I hope you walk a righteous path, and I hope you do the best you can do. And that's all anybody will ever ask of anyone. Or actually, it's what you should ask of yourself, is to always do the best that you can do, not comparing to others, not going on Facebook comparing your life to your friend's life, or celebrity life to your life, or thinking you need to look like somebody or be like somebody or act like somebody. Be you, because you're an original. I love you. Stay true to yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.